So my dear student, today we'll discuss chemical kinetics of what? Class 12. So now, what is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics means what? Kinetics means what? Rate or speed of a what? Chemical reaction. Okay. So what do you mean by chemical kinetics? It is the rate or speed of a what? Chemical reaction. So now, what is the definition of rate? So let us consider a reaction. What is the reaction? R gives what? P. So इस reaction में क्या होगा? When R means what? Reactant. When the reactant is converted to product, then क्या होगा? Reactant का जो concentration होगा, it will be what? Decrease. And product का जो concentration होगा, it will be what? Always increase. So you can write rate is equal to what? Decrease in the concentration of reactant, okay, divided by what? Change in time, okay, or what you can say, increase in the concentration of product divided by what? Change in time. So what is rate? Rate is equal to what? Decrease in the concentration of the reactant divided by what? Change in time. And increase in the what? Concentration of product divided by what? Change in time. So इसमें क्या लिख सकते हैं? रेट. So इसमें रिएक्टेंट क्या था? R था. So decrease means what? Negative. So minus dr divided by what? dt. ठीक है? is equal to what? Increase in the concentration of product. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? dp divided by what? dt. So what is rate? Rate is equal to what? If R gives P is the reaction, so rate is equal to what? Minus dr by dt is equal to what? Plus dp by dt. ठीक है? So this is the what? Definition of rate. अभी जो हमको इक्वेशन मिला है, this equation is known as what? Differential rate equation. ठीक है? So rate is equal to what? Minus dr by dt is equal to what? Plus dp by dt is known as what? Differential rate equation. ठीक है? So now let us consider a reaction. What is the reaction? So nitrogen reacts with what? Hydrogen to give what? Ammonia. ठीक है? So now इसको बैलेंस करो. बैलेंस करने से क्या होगा? नाइट्रोजन कितना था? 2 था. So there is 1. So multiply by 2. So हाइड्रोजन कितना हो गया? 6. Means क्या आएगा? 3. ठीक है? So now what is the differential rate equation for this reaction? So क्या होगा? Rate is equal. So इसमें रिएक्टेंट क्या क्या है? नाइट्रोजन है और हाइड्रोजन है. So रिएक्टेंट के लिए क्या होगा? नेगेटिव. So minus d of nitrogen divided by what? dt. ठीक है? is equal to, again hydrogen is the reactant, so minus d of H2 divided by dt. Always remember differential rate equation में क्या होगा? जो कोएफिशिएंट था it will be what? Divide. So 1/3. ठीक है? is equal to, ammonia is our product. Product के लिए क्या होगा? Plus. So what is the coefficient? 2 means what? 1/2. So ddt of what? Ammonia. So this is known as what? Differential rate equation for this reaction. So ये 1 mark क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. ठीक है? Again let us consider another reaction. What is the reaction? Say 5Br negative plus what? BrO3 negative plus what? 6H positive. Okay. Gives what? 3Br2 plus what? Water. So 3 for balancing. ठीक है. So इसके लिए डिफरेंशियल रेडिकेशन क्या होगा? So रिएक्टेंट क्या क्या है? Bromide, bromate, and H positive ion. They are the what reactant. So minus ddt of what? Br negative. 5 is the coefficient, means what? 1/5. और रिएक्टेंट है. रिएक्टेंट के लिए क्या होगा? नेगेटिव. is equal to, so minus ddt of what? BrO3 negative. Okay. Again minus 1/6 ddt of H positive. Okay. is equal to, वो प्रोडक्ट है. प्रोडक्ट के लिए क्या होगा? प्लस 1/3 ddt of bromine. Okay. is equal to plus 1/3 ddt of water. Okay. So this is the what? Differential equation for this reaction. यहाँ से one more question आ सकता है. Okay. So now after the differential equation, we have to discuss about the what? Rate law. हमको भी क्या डिस्कस करना है? रेट लॉ. ठीक है. अब देखो व्हाट इज रेट लॉ. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू रेट लॉ, rate of a chemical reaction depends on only the concentration of reactant. Only the concentration of reactant. So रेट लॉ में क्या होगा? कोई एक केमिकल रिएक्शन का जो रेट होगा वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होगा? रिएक्शन का जो रिएक्टेंट होगा इसके ऊपर में क्या होगा? इट विल डिपेंड्स. सो नाउ से दिस इज द व्हाट? केमिकल रिएक्शन A plus B gives a product. ठीक है. सो इसके लिए क्या होगा? रेट डिपेंड्स मींस व्हाट? डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. सो रिएक्टेंट मींस व्हाट? A and B. ठीक है. सो नाउ इफ वी रिमूव द प्रोपोर्शनल, देन इसमें क्या आएगा? रेट विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? देयर इज ए कांस्टेंट दैट इज K. A and B. तो इसमें क्या होगा? K is known as rate constant. ठीक है. तो इसमें K का मतलब क्या है? K is known as what? Rate constant. And this is known as what? Rate law. ठीक है. So now, what is the definition of rate constant? So what is the definition of rate constant? Definition of rate constant. ठीक है. अभी हमको क्या मिला था? अकॉर्डिंग टू रेट लॉ क्या मिला था? रेट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? K into A B. ठीक है. सो नाउ इसमें क्या होगा? If concentration of reactant A is equal to what? Concentration of reactant B is equal to 1 mole liter inverse. Then what you can write? Rate is equal to what? K into 1 means what? K. So K means what? Rate constant. So what is the definition of rate constant? Rate constant of a chemical reaction is equal to the what? Rate of the reaction when concentration of the what? Reactants are 1 mole liter inverse. So कैसे लिख सकते हो? Rate constant is equal to rate of a reaction when concentration of reactants are 1 mole liter inverse. ठीक है? So rate constant is equal to the what? Rate of the reaction when concentration of the reactants are what? 1 mole liter inverse. Okay? So this is all about the what? Rate law. अभी क्या आएगा? Order. Order and what? Molecularity. Okay. So now, say this is our chemical reaction XA plus what YB gives what ZP. So according to rate law. So according to rate law क्या होगा? Rate is equal to what? Always remember rate law में जो कोएफिशिएंट था वो क्या होगा? पावर होगा. डिफरेंशियल इंटीग्रेशन में क्या था? जो कोएफिशिएंट था it will be what? Divided. So k a to the power what? X b to the power what? 1. ठीक है? So इसमें ऑर्डर क्या होगा? Order is equal to what? X plus 1. What is the meaning of order? Order is the what? Sum of the power of the concentration expressed in the what? Rate law. So order is what? Sum of the power of the concentration expressed in rate law. ठीक है? से तुमको एक केमिकल इक्वेशन दिया है, से उसका रेट क्या है? रेट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? के ए बी टू द पावर व्हाट? हाफ. तो इसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा? ए का पावर कितना है? 1 है. बी का पावर कितना है? हाफ है. मीन्स व्हाट? 3/2. ठीक है? एंड व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन? मोलिकुलरिटी. मोलिकुलरिटी क्या होगा? से दिस इज द रिएक्शन नाइट्रोजन प्लस हाइड्रोजन गिव्स व्हाट? अमोनिया. ठीक है? सो इसके लिए मोलिकुलरिटी क्या होगा? It is the number of reactant molecule. So what is molecularity? Molecularity is the what? Number of reactant molecule. So इसके लिए क्या होगा? 1 plus 3. That is what? 4. So molecularity is the what? Number of reactant molecules that participates to give the what? Product. ठीक है? So molecularity is the what? Number of reactant molecules that participate in a chemical reaction to give the what? Product. ठीक है? So with this we have concluded our first class. Okay?